How to eat flax seeds for weight loss. You've heard flax seeds help with weight loss. But here's the ugly truth. Eat them the wrong way, and your body stores fat instead of burning it. The good news? Eat them the right way, and flax seeds can flatten your tummy, control cravings, and improve digestion. Flax seeds are tiny, but they pack a serious punch for weight loss. The problem? If you just sprinkle them over food without knowing how your body processes them, you're wasting your time. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to eat flax seeds for weight loss, the right form, the best time, and the mistakes you must avoid. Here's the challenge. Flax seeds are full of fiber, healthy fats, and plant compounds that support fat loss. But the seed itself is tough. Eat them whole, and they pass through your body untouched. Wasted effort. Stay till the end, because I'll show you the simple but powerful ways to add flax seeds into your diet, so you actually burn fat instead of wasting your time. And if you find value in this video, hit that subscribe button for more holistic health tips. Here's why flax seeds outshine most so-called diet foods. Why this tiny seed beats most diet foods. Reason 1. Fiber. Just 2 tablespoons of ground flax give you 4 grams of fiber. Fiber slows digestion, keeps you full longer, and stops you from reaching for snacks soon after eating. Second, omega-3 fats. These don't just support your heart. They reduce inflammation, regulate hormones, and make weight loss easier. Third, lignans. These plant compounds support hormone balance, which can be key if you've struggled with stubborn belly fat. The biggest mistake people make with flax seeds. If you eat flax seeds whole, most of them come out the same way they went in. Your body can't break down the hard shell, so the nutrients stay locked inside. That's why rule number 1 is always use ground flax seeds. You can buy them pre-ground or grind them yourself with a coffee grinder. Once ground, your body can actually absorb the fiber, omega-3s, and all the good stuff. Now, timing is everything. Get this wrong, and flax won't work. The best time to eat. Flax seeds for weight loss. Most people get the timing wrong and wonder why flax isn't working. Timing depends on your lifestyle. Here are a few smart options. Morning, add to oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt for all-day hunger control. Before meals, mix into water and drink 20 to 30 minutes before eating. The fiber swells, keeping you full so you eat less. At night, a flaxseed drink in the evening can calm cravings and keep blood sugar stable while you sleep. How much flaxseed should you eat daily? More isn't always better. Too much can upset your stomach. The sweet spot is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, enough to get results without overwhelming your system. Flax seeds alone won't magically melt fat, but paired with the right foods and habits, they can boost your progress. How to eat flax seeds the right way. 1. In water or lemon water. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flax in warm water. Stir and drink quickly before it thickens. Add lemon if you like. Works especially well before meals. 2. In smoothies. They blend right in, adding fiber without changing flavor. A banana, spinach, and flaxseed smoothie makes a filling breakfast. 3. In yogurt or oatmeal. Sprinkle ground flax on top for a satisfying breakfast that controls mid-morning hunger. Extra benefits that support weight loss. Flax supports digestion. The soluble fiber forms a gel in your gut, slowing digestion and cleaning out waste. That reduces bloating and helps your stomach feel flatter. It also stabilizes blood sugar, preventing crashes that trigger sugar cravings. And omega-3s support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, an added bonus. So what's the one rule that makes flax seeds actually work? Simple. Eat them ground, not whole. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily and combine with a balanced diet and activity. They're not a magic bullet, but they're a powerful tool when used the right way. Think about it. 1 tiny seed, eaten correctly, can control appetite, flatten your tummy by reducing bloating, and help keep hormones balanced. Simple, but often overlooked. Flax seeds support weight loss through fiber, omega-3s, and hormone-balancing compounds. Mistakes to avoid: eating them whole or eating too much. The smart way: ground flax 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, added to water, smoothies, or yogurt. Used correctly, flax seeds are a small daily change that leads to big results over time. So now you know exactly how to eat flax seeds for weight loss. Try adding them tomorrow and see how your body responds. If this helped, hit like, share with someone who wants a flatter tummy, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Next week, I'll reveal another tiny food even more powerful than flax seeds for fat burning. So stay tuned.